for really things to look at for designing your supply chain, I've kind of boiled it down to four major things. And the first thing you want to do is understand that there's more to suppliers, more to vendors than just material cost, right? It's quality, and there's delivery time as well, right? Those are expensive as well. Time is a cost. How much does a 1 month delay, 6 month delay, how much does that cost you in revenue? You have bills to pay, and if your product isn't getting out on time, that's a cost right there. So you have to have reliable suppliers. A lot of people look at this, they're comparing 5 suppliers, and they
Yep.
take the least expensive one, the one that
Yep.
costs the least amount. And I've seen a lot of cases where most likely that's not the one that is the best for your launch, because maybe they're least expensive because of where they're getting the material from isn't top notch, or maybe they're promising certain things, or their quality isn't there, right? And quality is a cost as well. If you're having to do returns, that's expensive, right? And if you have to replace that item, that's expensive. You're paying, now you're paying twice the material cost to provide the product as well. So